In this video, I will show you how to copy a pie on Trading212. So to do this, just open up the Trading212 app and then go to the social place down in the bottom. So it's the fifth option next to the card. And then from here, what you can do is click on pies in the top right. And there you'll find new pies. You can also click top and your saved pies. Now, for example, in the top pies, you can see the daily dividends pie, 2025 AI stocks, and you can see there are a bunch more right here. So just find the stock that you would like to invest in. So it can really be any of these. You can also create your own pie if you want. But for this example, I'll just copy, let's say, the Magnificent 7 right here. Now from there, click on copy pie in the bottom and click next. Now here you can adjust the investment if you want. For example, you can make it all even, or you can make one stock less, another one more. Just choose however you want to do it. You can also click on plus to add other stocks to it. So for example, if I want to add, let's say, Oracle, then I can just click add to pie and then click next. And then again, I'll need to adjust how much each is worth. And then once you're happy with your pie, you can then click next. Then you can choose to auto invest or manually. I'll just do it manually. And then here you can give it a name, then click create pie. Now you have created the pie. Now you can then choose how much you want to invest and then click on next. And then just go and confirm it, and then you will have invested into that pie and you are also copying that pie. Now if you just want to fully copy the pie, then you should not change anything right here and just click next, because then you can also get the updates from the creator of the pie. So now you know how to copy a pie on Trading212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.